Hi friends, we'll learn about max value in inside a array or the highest value in our array. So we'll create one sample array. We are just feeding with some data. So it's random data, not in any sequence. So one more will go. So that's all. Let's find out the highest value in this. We'll print it. So max now AR. Okay, let's save this and see the output. Refreshing, 56 is the highest value. Yeah, suppose I want the minimum value from this, so I'll just replace max with min and I will get the minimum value. Minimum value is 14. Fine. One more array. This array will change it now. We'll say that we'll use one associative array. So we'll say one is 15. Now let's say 2. We are defining our own keys now. 34. Now 3 equal to, let's say, 23. One more will go. It is equal to 16. Now this will delete. Now let's say what's the minimum value. I am saving this, refreshing, is 15. So you can see 15 is here. This is the minimum value. What's the maximum value? So I'll replace this with max, save it and refresh. Maximum value is 34. Now all the time we are getting the maximum or minimum value. Let's now learn how to get the key of the maximum or minimum value. We'll use array keys. So we'll declare one more variable. Let's say b is equal to array keys. Now we'll say AR array. Now we'll say max. What is the max value? It will take the max value from the array. So we will say like this. So B will get it. Now we'll print the first element, because if multiple elements are there, so its array key returns array. So we'll say B and 0. So first element. So this will give us the key of the maximum element. So in this case, what is the maximum? You can just see from this list and note the key. We'll see that now. Refreshed. So sorry, this is 30. It's actually 2. This 34. I will give or I will just comment this. So you can see the output is 2. Now one more way we can get it is by using array search. Now let's say we'll give a variable key equal to, we'll say array search. Array will search a value and return us the key of it. So what it will search now, that I will define by using max as the input. Max AR. So what you are telling, sorry, not square bracket. So what you are telling now, you search for this. This will return us the maximum value. Now in that we'll search the same value again. So this particular command will return the maximum value. Then using array search, we will search inside this array for the value and we'll get the key. So we can just print the key. So we'll say, sorry, we'll just print the key, so that will give us the key. Before that, let's comment this line. So save this, gone here, refresh. Okay, I missed end here. Saved this, gone again, refreshed 2. So this is how we'll get the key. Now similarly you can replace this with minimum function also. Let's say it's min here. So saved it. What is the key of the minimum value? In this you can see what's the minimum value. Yeah, so you can see that. Let's refresh this and see. It's the 1 is the key of the minimum value. Similarly, while this we can take a comment this, and here also we can use the minimum and see the output. So here we are taking the meaning. The same one will come. I am just saving this, refreshing. It will be the same value. Okay, now with this knowledge, now fine, we'll go for one example where we will create a student and its mark. Some 5-6 students will take and the mark. We have to find out what is the highest mark and who is the student who got the highest mark. Similarly, what is the lowest mark and who is the student who got the. So that way we'll be printing both key and value. That will we'll try this. So here is an array where you can see that we have a student array where names and their mark, name, mark, name, mark, and one more name and mark. This we have created. Now we'll see that what are the highest mark. So let's first go, we'll say the highest mark. What is the highest mark? It's easy, already we have seen max. Now we'll say student. So I will just save it. Let's see how it looks. Here I have refreshing this. Line 4 student. Oh sorry, here I missed something. Highest mark is 25. Fine. So now this, once the highest mark, who got the highest mark? Now this time we have to print the key. So before that, let's just give a line break, or rather here I will add a line break here. So next line it will go. Fine, echo. So now the student who got the highest mark. Okay, leave it, whatever text you want you can write it. Now how I what is the way I will get that one? I will say array search. Now inside that max, what is the max? I will get the max value from student, and array search will search again the student. Fine. So this is, you just see here the max student will give me the max, what is the maximum mark. So and this array search will take that maximum mark and pick up the student who got it, that is my key or index. So let's see how this works. We'll go here, refresh it. Highest student is geek. Let's say student name will say. Fine, not a big deal. Now I saved it. Now let's go for who has got the minimum mark. So what you will do, nothing, will just copy this paste it here. So here I will give a line break. So now instead of highest, lowest, or whatever you want, text you want to write it. Here instead of max I will go for minimum. So the minimum mark it will produce, then the student who got the minimum means I will say here minimum. Fine, that's all. Let us save this, go here, refresh this. Lowest mark is 13 and student name is Alex. So this is how we'll use maximum, minimum value, we'll get it from an array.